Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2004 ECE paper, and the topic we are discussing is electron devices. This is second 1 mark question, came in 2004. If for a silicon NPN transistor the base to emitter voltage is 0.7 volts and collector to base voltage is 0.2 volts, then the transistor is operating in dash region: A. Normal active mode, B. Saturation mode, C. Inverse active mode, D. Cutoff mode. Given silicon NPN transistor and VBE value given as 0.7 volts, VCB given as 0.2 volts. By that time, whether the transistor is in which region, whether it is normal active, that is nothing but active region, or saturation region, or inverse active region, or cutoff mode. Correct answer for this one is A. Normal active mode. We can say the transistor whether it is in saturation or active region. With respect to voltage also we can tell, or with respect to currents also we can tell. With respect to currents, if IB is greater than or equal to IB minimum, at that time the transistor is in saturation. IB minimum is the minimum base current required to keep the transistor in saturation. If the base current is greater than IB minimum, at that time definitely the transistor will be in saturation. Otherwise, if IB less than IB minimum, at that time transistor has not saturated, so it will be in active region. But that is with respect to currents. In the question, there is no currents are involved. So here we should calculate with respect to voltages. With respect to voltages for NPN transistor, this is a condition. Look at this one. If VCE less than or equal to 0.2 volts, then the transistor is in saturation region. We remember VCE saturation for NPN transistor is 0.2 volts. That is the maximum value under saturation. Remember that. That is VCE saturation maximum value. That is 0.2 volts. If you are getting that one or lesser than that one, at that time the transistor will be in saturation. If VCE is greater than 0.2 volts, then the transistor is in active region. So we need to calculate VCE. So this is what we have seen. VCE, if it is less than 0.2 volts, it will be in saturation. If it is greater than 0.2 volts, it will be in active. So we need to calculate VCE for the given question. VCE can be written as VC minus VE, and we are taking with respect second variable as base, so that VCB minus VEB you can write. So VCB minus of minus VBE. VEB is nothing but minus VBE. So this will become VCB plus VBE. Now the VCE value is nothing but 0.9 volts. Since VCE is greater than 0.9 volts, the given transistor is operating in normal active mode. So the right answer for the given question is normal active mode. Thank you.